friend, good morning. Have you listened to yesterday's class, children? Yes, I have started you the 5th class. Lesson number 1, a hero with a difference. What is the lesson name? A hero with a difference. Once again, A-H-E-R-O, hero, W-I-T-H, with A-D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. A hero with a difference. This is your first lesson. We have completed half of the lesson yesterday. Yes. What is the lesson yesterday we have completed? Once again I will repeat it. You listen carefully. Yesterday what happened? Meena said, a girl named Meena said that she hates the black mole on her face. She hates the black mole on her face. And here her friends were teasing her about the black mole. They were telling that you are looking ugly, you are different from us. So they were telling like that. But Meena's sister Leena, she said that by that black mole only you are the special. By that black mole only you are very special and you are different from us and you are special. You should feel proud. You should feel proud. She was telling like that. Here and she said about some people. So many people are there, women and men, with the differences. With the differences, they achieved so many things. With the differences, they achieved so many things. Means physically challenged people. Means someone not having the legs or hand, who can't see, who can't hear, who can't talk. There are differences. Physically challenged people, we will say. They have achieved so many things. Why about a small black mole, you are thinking, you are feeling that you are ugly. But so many people are there. The body parts are not there for them. They achieved so many things. And she was telling about this person's story also. Well, who is that person, children, here? Mazdur Rahman Badaya. Mazdur Rahman Badaya was a famous swimmer. Famous swimmer. Why is so many members are there famous swimmer? But why we are talking about this person only? Because in an accident he lost his legs. In a train accident he lost his legs in the age of 10 years. In the age of 10 years he has lost his legs in the goods train accident. After that was so much poor family they were. Yes, Mazdur's family was poor family. And his father was Imam. I said Imam, who leads the main prayers in mosque. How in the church and the temples they will have, the church father will be there, yes. In the temple will tell Pujari. Like that, the mosque also Imam will tell as Imam, who leads the main prayers. Their family was poor family. They were for 1 year, 1.5 years. They were going to the every hospital. Every hospital they were going and they were checking. They were making to Mazdur to treat them, but they were feeling very. They were feeling very sad. And they were feeling very bad that his child, his son should be like that only. He can't do anything. He can't move himself. They were feeling like that. But what happened? Mazdur was very strong person. Mazdur was very strong person. He took the advice of doctors. He took the advice of doctors and he started doing the exercises. He started doing the exercises. And at one point, he started to swimming. He started to do the swimming. He began to learn swimming in the village ponds with the help of the doctor's suggestions. Swimming is a sport where so much mental, physical, we should have the strength. After the swimming, he started to learn the swimming with the advice of doctors. And swimming is a sport which needs mental and physical fitness. And we should have the physical strength to move one's hand, leg, body parts, everything. Yes. How we will do the swimming, children? We should move here both hands and both legs. Yes. But here Mazdur was not having the legs. But he was having the confidence. He was having the confidence and he was having the strength to try and try. He was having the patience also. It is very difficult, extremely difficult to do him. But he was kept trying and trying. This was the yesterday's class. Now what happens today we will see. In 1989, I said in 1989, the Artificial Limb Center of Pune organized a national swimming competition. Artificial means what? Man-made things. We will call man-made things as artificial. Limb Center of Pune. Limb means what, children? An arm or a leg of a person. Artificial means man-made leg. Who is not having the hand, arm or leg? The man-made arm and leg they will be keeping. That is called as an artificial limb center. Center of Pune organized a national swimming competition. In this, Mazdoor travelled from West Bengal to Maharashtra to participate in this event. Everyone was surprised. Mazdoor bagged the first position in 16 out of 17 swimming days. Everyone was surprised. Why they were surprised? Because Mazdoor was not having the legs, but also he was banned. Banned means won. In 16 out of 17 swimming races, he won the first position. He won the first position. In the years that followed, Mazdoor continued to take part in many swimming competitions conducted within and outside his home state. He was followed every competition he was participating. Every competition, swimming competition, wherever it is conducted, in the state home or outside of the state home, he was participating in every competition. Conducted means what? Organized. Conducted means what? Organized. He was a disabled swimmer who had a very strong will and unmatched perseverance. He was a disabled swimmer and who had very strong will and unmatched perseverance. What is perseverance, children, here? The quality of never giving up. We should be also like that only. Means with the quality of never giving up. Once we are failing means you should not give up. You should try until you should succeed. Until you will succeed, you should try and try. That is the never giving up quality. Perseverance means what? Never giving up quality. However, Mazdoor became very famous in 1997 when he became the first physically challenged Asian swimmer to cross the English Channel successfully. What happened here in 1997? He became a very famous first physically challenged Asian swimmer. Why? He crossed the English Channel successfully. What is English Channel, children? The body of water that separates Great Britain from the rest of the Europe. What it is here? The body of water which separates the Great Britain from the rest of the Europe. He has travelled, he has swimmed. He has swimmed over the English Channel. He crossed that successfully. So he became a first physically challenged person in the Asia. Following this, he became the world's first physically challenged swimmer to swim across the Strait of Gibraltar in 2001. He became a world's first physically challenged swimmer. Following this, he became the world's first physically challenged swimmer to swim across the Strait of Gibraltar in 2001. He became the world's physically challenged swimmer to swim across the Strait of Gibraltar in 2001. He achieved this feat by swimming from the Tarfaya Islands in Spain to the shores of Morocco, a total distance of about 22 kilometers in just 4 hours and 20 minutes. He achieved this feat. What it means? Feat means something that has been achieved through great strength and effort. What it is, children? Something that has been achieved through great strength and effort. Feat. What he has done? He has swimmed. He has travelled where Tarfaya Islands in Spain to the shores of Morocco. The distance is 22 kilometers. The distance is 22 kilometers. And in how much hours he has travelled there? He has swimmed 4 hours and 20 minutes. In just 4 hours and 20 minutes he has crossed that place. News channels interviewed Mazdoor and his pictures were on the cover pages of newspapers. The next morning, what happened? All news channels interviewed Mazdoor and the pictures of the cover pages of newspapers are also there. Next morning when he was seeing the newspaper, every newspaper was filled with Mazdoor's photo. He had become a celebrated sports person. He became a celebrated sports person. Mazdoor found an admirer in the sports star Sachin Tendulkar. Tendulkar visited Mazdoor in 2014 and saluting Mazdoor's achievement, he said, "They are the real heroes and their lives are like an inspiration to all of us." In 2014, the sports star Sachin Tendulkar, everyone knows, yes? He is a cricketer. He visited Mazdoor and he said, he saluted Mazdoor. Saluting means what? Respecting. The saluting means what? Respecting him. He respected his achievements, Mazdoor's achievement, and he said that they are real heroes. They are the real heroes and their lives are like an inspiration for us. Because without one body part, without a part of our body, he has done so much achievement. So they are the real heroes and they are the inspirational for us. Sachin Tendulkar told to Mazdoor. Even after all the fame that he enjoyed, Mazdoor continued to live a very simple life with his mother, his wife and his daughters. He lived in the village till he passed away in 2015. Even so much he was very famous, but also he lived a very simple life in the village with the family members. And he passed in 2015. Passed away in 2015. Passed away means what? Was dead in 2015. He was always enthusiastically involved with local swimmers organization as a trainer and advisor. Enthusiastically, what it means? Enthusiastically means in a way that shows intense and eager enjoyment. He was every time enthusiastically was attending, he was involved in the local swimmer organizations. He was as a trainer and advisor, he was there. A lot of youngsters found inspiration in Mazdoor. He said to them, "It is absolutely possible for a person with physical disabilities to do things better than others." A lot of youngsters he found he was inspiring, he was telling everyone that you will have ability, you should have the ability, you should have the possibility also. You can do everything. Absolutely possible for everyone to achieve anything. We can achieve anything with the physical disability. But you have to be dedicated to your cause. Mazdoor life has been inspiring story of determination and courage. And he said that you should have dedication. What is dedicated means focused. You should be focused to one goal. Then you can achieve anything. What he said, you should be inspiring story of determination. What is determination, children? To continue trying to do something even after many difficulties. What it is? To continue trying to do something even after many difficulties. What it means? How many difficulties we will get, but also we should be trying to reach our goal. Understood? We should have the courage also. We should have the courage also. First of all, what we should have to achieve any goal? Dedication should be there. Determination should be there. Understood, children? Mazdoor without the legs only have achieved so many things. But we are having all the body parts to us. Yes, all the body parts are there for us. We can achieve more than Mazdoor. Yes, children, we can achieve more than Mazdoor. Have you understood here, children? What is the lesson? You should reach one goal means you should have the dedication and determination. Understood, children? This is now. Have you understood the lesson? Shall I ask you 2 questions? What did Meena hate about herself? What did Meena hate about herself? What it is? Black on her face. What did Leena tell her sister? What did Leena tell her sister, children? Leena told her sister that the black mole on your face makes you special and different. Yes? Now, I have completed the lesson. Yes, what is your work today? You should read the lesson and answer these questions in your homework book. Already yesterday classwork you have done now, children. What you have done in the classwork? Listen and say aloud words and new words. And today's homework is you should read the lesson and answer these questions. What are these questions, children? Let us discuss question in homework book. Understood, children? Thank you.